Dude, if I'm getting disconnected, I gotta get my phone. What's up, YouTube? Playing my chess stream this morning. First morning stream. Playing a great game against a viewer named Carl. He's got checks going, man. I'm up a rook, but a rook for a pawn, but he's got checks. Lots of checks. I almost offered him a draw, thinking he had perpetual maybe. And I'm low on time, and I'm trying to freaking do okay in this game. Chat's feeling distressed with me. Then I start getting disconnected. I can usually tell when it starts happening. So I grab my phone, and I go to chess.com on my phone, and I pick the game back up from my phone. I have 20 seconds left. Stream drops. Chat goes nuts. Oh, right now it was freaking ridiculous. You're not gonna have to deal with that in this video. You'll see where I get DC'd. I'm picking it back up on my phone, and then I'm gonna show you the end of the game here so you can see what happened, and all those poor people who are right now dying to know what happened will be able to see it, okay? And this is my YouTube channel. If you like the chess content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to it. I've already done a workshop for my under 1,000 chess players for the supporters, and they got a lot out of it because I'm not a master, I'm not a professional teacher. I'm good enough to teach people under 1,000 maybe, you know, some better moves they could do. Yeah, man, morning. Yeah, morning. We're getting a nice crowd in the morning. I know you're probably new. If you're new to the stream, my name is Charlie. My name is Charlie. My name is Charlie. I play guitar and I play chess. And we do this all the time. And all these people you see chit-chat, and there are a lot of my yokels from my 5 o'clock Central stream. I stream in the afternoons. I do have a YouTube channel. It's Charly Sardo Gaming. Here, yeah, it's just Charly Sardo Gaming. Colin Higgins says, "Got to get to work. Great finish." This is what I love about the early morning, man. I get to say hi to people when they take off for their day. You know what I'm saying? Pretty cool. We play A6, right? Derek Dunbar says, "Do you have a YouTube channel?" I've never looked and now wondering. I do. I have a YouTube channel, man. Go to YouTube and like it, live it, love it. Bishop E2. Playing E5. Man, Fernando, my buddy Fernando drops 50 stars. Thank you, Fernando. And Jonathan McNichols, good morning. How are you? Supporter, by the way. Good to see you, Jonathan. Thanks for supporting, man. Derek Dunbar says, "Any viewers here have Chess Ultra on Nintendo Switch and want an easy win?" Okay. Plays knight back. It's a real move. This is the move. This is accurate. As instructed by Master David Bassett. Guys, this is Carl, man, in chat, and he's 1661. This guy's no freaking joke. There's no link to my YouTube because my YouTube's weird. I think I have to wait a certain amount of days to get my name. We have a live game after. Yeah, man, I love Carlo. Carlo's already looking past me and like looking at his next game. Like that. Casey says, "Your early stream is a good way to get the brain working before I begin instructing this morning." Aircraft maintenance. Ooh, teacher. That's a very serious job, man. Derek Dunbar drops 500 stars. Says, "Do you play any video games?"
Any video games? Not board or card games?
I'll tell you, I was way into video games back in the day, man. I had an Atari computer, Atari 400. And I had like, I don't know, 700 games. Those games were just like the arcade. Back in the day, there were some good systems. ColecoVision had a good Donkey Kong that was pretty much just like the pretty much just like the arcade. First person shooters, man. I've talked about it. I started out playing Ghost Recon, the original. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, 95. Yeah, I get a pawn though. This works. Then I played Raven Shield. Then my friends got me into World of Warcraft, and I was a officer in a top 50 horde guild in the United States. That's going pretty far down the line, right? But I was an officer in a top 50 horde guild, which was pretty freaking cool. So I played early Warcraft at a pretty high level. And sometimes I get lazy, man. I have Warzone. I keep it updated. Well, I used to. And I just go watch Nick Mercs, man. He plays better than me, right? If you like the video, like the video. Freaking love Nick Mercs. The dude is legit. So anymore, I've always played chess, man, a lot, and loved it. And so now that I'm streaming chess, I'm just playing chess. Derek says, I'm looking for juicy stuff like Mortal Kombat or Mario or even StarCraft. My son plays, what's a Smash Brothers? A Smash thing. Knight's going to be good on this square. Yeah, we have made a mistake. Now he will have a forever advantage with the backward pawn. I think I just come back, let him take my bishop. I can't save it. Get the knight back to a decent square. What on b4 though? I gotta go back. The knight takes, I gotta play pawn takes. Carlos playing good, guys. Do I just bring a rook? Take with the pawn, play for f5. Brings rook. White is better, by the way. Bobby Beal, oh, he's talking to the aircraft maintenance instructor. Have you ever seen the pilots versus maintenance engineers gripe sheet jokes? I never saw that. He might have. He's in the business. Derek says I could never afford WoW, and now that I don't have time or energy, hence why chess is now attractive to me. Yeah, man. When I got out of WoW, it felt so good because I like games you can play and then shut off. WoW was such a commitment. Nicholas Griswold, thank you for the like. Matt Hoagland, thank you for the like. And Abu Bakar Talpur, thank you for the like. JT Manson, thank you guys, man. Derek says, I would love to play you at a game sometime, whether it's chess and I get whooped or a different game, and maybe I'll have a chance. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, no, you can't come in and, Is there a mod who can delete that post and go ahead and like maybe mute him or something? Let me see if I can do it. Delete. Don't self-promote. Oh, man. Okay. That's good. If that guy talks again, go ahead and mute him for a while. I deleted his post. You can't come in and self-promote, man. Not cool. Learn manners. I got sidetracked. Tyler Leach says, good morning, brother. Hope you have an amazing day. Chillest dude on the net. Tyler, I don't know, man. You seem like a pretty chill dude yourself. Minecraft is perfect for turning off. Yeah. Dusty, cool, man. Go ahead and, if you want to just play with your snooze, man, snooze them for 15 or for 45 or something. I don't think I'm going to ban people for doing that. Not at this point. If it gets to be a thing to where they're doing a lot of it, yeah. If I start seeing it a lot, I'll just ban. You know, I think it says don't self-promote in the chat rules, right? So if you want to hunt them down, Dusty, if you want to hunt them down and ban them, go ahead and do that. I ain't trying to be mean, guys, but you guys know that. You guys know there's etiquette, right? There's etiquette. You could have talked to me first. It's freaking night. I think I can do this. Derek Dunbar says, darn, I'm playing chess on my Switch and missed the drama. No, there's no drama. Some guy just self-promoted. He posted a link to his stream. It's really funny. It's not funny. I don't know what it is. I guess I'm blessed, okay? I'm playing chess. My first stream sucked, guys. I was trying to do a reaction video to it yesterday. And I'm still working on that. But my first stream sucked, man. You know, like 3 people came in, right? And it takes a little time to build some people up. There are people, I'm so thankful for my 3,600, gosh, almost 3,700 followers already. It's ridiculous. But I don't go on other people's pages and self-promote, man. It's just not, it's very, it's poor etiquette. And, I think I just need to, like, do something to improve the position. Maybe come back. Attack the knight. You can maybe play queen b3. Maybe I can play knight here. So anyway, yeah, that's all good. I'm so excited to watch you play Windows chess. Windows chess. What is Windows chess? I don't think I play Windows chess. Always start on survival, then go to creator, as I love to build. Oh, Minecraft. Yeah, man. My son was really into what's etiquette? It's manners. Yeah, it's just manners. It's just poor etiquette in the streaming world to go into someone else's stream and promote yourself. And it sucks too, because you want to. You'd be like, this guy's got 54 people watching right now. Like, no one's on my stream at all. If I go there, maybe they'll all magically leave, or 3 of them will, and they'll fall in love with me. It's like, it just doesn't work like that. If you make the best content you can and keep trying to make it better, people will show up. But they want to, they just want followers. There's these really toxic Facebook streamer groups where people literally go in there and ask for stars. They do a thing where they say, follow for follow. If you follow my stream, I'll follow your stream. And they send screenshots for proof. For 1 follow. I mean, I'm very, very thankful that I'm just here working. And I got follows today. I've got follows on the stream so far. People are following. Just stream. Just go to work. This is going to be a beautiful square for his knight. My bishop is going to suck with pawns. But, well, no, now, I could play... Let's play the rook first. That way, we get to take with an attack. You know what it is? Thank you. Well, you know what I learned? Hey, guys, let me tell you something. I have my first YouTube channel. Its name is Blingarella, okay? Like Blingarella, like Cinderella. And I made a video called Why You Suck at Call of Duty 4. 10 reasons why you suck at COD 4. And I've told the story before, but I wanted to make this video. I turned on Fraps, that's the video recording software. And I hadn't played COD 4 in 4 months. I swear to you, I hadn't played in 4 months. I log in, I go in a game, I hit record, I get the most kills in the game. Whatever. I didn't like the gameplay though. So I went into another game, hit record, got the top kills in the game, second game. Okay? This was when the game was still relatively active. There was, I don't know, you watch the video. Why You Suck at COD 4 Call of Duty. Blingzor is the name of the, I think the channel's on Blingarella. Is it Blingarella or Blingzor? Blingarella or Blingzor on YouTube. And, dude, the video sucked. I mean, the idea was cool. And I just stroll in and get the most kills. And I show you, and I literally give you 10 reasons why you suck at Call of Duty. But I had no idea how to talk to people. You guys say, like, Charlie, you're natural at this. You guys are so nice to me. And the things that you guys say. Oh, the other rook. Because I wanted this rook for F5. Guys, it was a terrible, 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 terrible rook move. Oh my God, what do you, it's like you don't even want to win. It's like I don't even want to freaking win. Yeah, so you guys know Nate Shot? Who? Show of hands. Nate Shot, anybody? Good morning, John Bailey. How you doing, man? Derek says, "LO, I made like 3 YouTube videos ever, and it was COD Warzone. It was comedy thing called Warzone Wankers. Love it. Was it at least reasonable? My video sucked so bad. I got a comment, one of the comments on it, one of the only comments, it said, you suck at YouTube. And you know what? I left it and I loved it because it was just so true. Anyway, Nade Shot. He's a famous Call of Duty pro who since became to form 100 Thieves. It's a gaming team. He's one of the owners of 100 Thieves. Dude, he used to get 20,000 on Twitch back in the day when no one was getting 20,000 or very few people. And I used to go in his freaking Twitch and I would freaking promote my freaking video. And I got banned. It was dumb. I did it. I did it. So I'm not like really, really mad when people do it. But they gotta learn. Self-promote, get banned. I am such a fool. I'm doing this, guys. I'm fixing this. Derek Dunbar says, if I'm still in the stream, I can play you next. It won't be professional, but it would make my day. If not, I still love you. And again later when I can. Yeah, Derek, thanks for the 200, man. Derek, tell me what your name is. But the most important thing is,
If I am still in this stream, can I play you next? It won't be professional, but it would make my day. If not, he'll still love you and you again later when I can.
Thank you for the 200 stars, Derek. First off. See, I'm just giving him. Now, it's this rook that comes here. Jonathan Thrasher's here, 100 stars. Hey, man. Hey, Jonathan, Dustin just banned a guy for self-promoting. It was fun. So anyway, yeah, I got banned for self-promoting from Nate Shot, and I finally later got unbanned because I used to love that stream. But self-promoting, you just gotta promote certain ways, but trying to leech off people, it doesn't help. It does. You know what? That guy could have sent me a message. Yeah, it's okay, Jonathan. That's a second ban in like in a few days. I think it was Mike. Mike banned someone the other day. This guy was a scammer though. This guy needed to go. And I don't want to make a big deal about bans. It's not that big of a deal. There's millions of people out there. People come in, don't know how to act. we keep our room clean. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to play. Okay. Daniel says Stone Mountain 64 is my favorite COD streamer. Dude, he's on Facebook Gaming, right? I believe he's the biggest Facebook gaming streamer. I've never checked him out. I really should go. Jonathan Thrasher says, yeah, this stream doesn't attract much of that mess. It doesn't. You know, chess is a rule. It's not like Baron's chat. You know what I'm saying? And, hey, you know, we all like to be silly. We all like to be silly. Hey, this is my move because I have to do something. Oh, I can't. Okay, so we play king over first. I already covered this. If he pushes, I'm just going to take. Dude, Z-Laner. Z-Laner's pretty badass, man. But, you know, I got to tell you, if I'm going to watch Z-Laner, I'm just watching Doc just for the content. Z-Laner's right there with him. They stream together, right? Dylan Rice liked. Wade Kaiser liked. Arvinder Singh, thank you for the like. Again, Jonathan Thrasher says, cool morning day. Drops 100 stars. Thank you, Jonathan. Derek, okay. Type exclam play, Derek. I'm going to do it for you. Watch. Exclam play. And read this, and it will tell you how to play me. But the thing is, you got to be ready. I used to wait and try and add you as a friend, and I'd spend half my stream trying to make a game. Well, my game's over, and but Derek, type your name in the chat too, so I know. I watch Coffee Chess on YouTube for sure, Derek. I love the freaking channel, man. I've watched a lot of those. Derek says he streamed an old Star Wars game once to 0 people and woke up to a disabled man that couldn't read or write, sending me voice messages asking me to continue. It was creepy at first, but the more I thought about it, it felt wholesome. I didn't have the time or bandwidth to continue. Oh, man. Yeah, so Derek, type your chess.com name in chat. He wants to... I'm going to play this move and create lots of weaknesses. Man, he wants to play knight g4 and he wants knight g5 and he wants to head into this weakness. Bishop takes, messes his pawns up, but it does give me my forever weakness, which I already have. Man, this is a good move, Carl, I think. Yeah, Coffee Chess is cool. Shane, how you doing, man? So that's how you play me right there. Read that, and that's how you play me. That's how everyone plays me. But Derek is dropping a few stars. I'm not just selling games, all right? But Derek's been very active in the stream since we got here. And he's been around, and he wants to play. And if you type your name, Derek, and I see it, I'll get you in, okay? But I'm not going to wait around. Don't wait around. If no one challenges me, I just start another game. I'm here to play. I'm here to let Carl kick me butt. Know what to do. I want to play F5 so bad. This maintains everything. Might help me get F5 in. Shane Davenport, dude, it's going good. How you doing, man? Skylar Kidd, thanks for the like. Derek Claude, thank you for the like. Appreciate you guys, man. If you're new, this is a new time. I don't always stream this early in the morning. There will be afternoon stream, by the way, guys. This is in addition to. If you're new to the stream, we do this every day. Throw us a follow. Oh, by the way, guys, I have to keep reiterating this for you guys. We have like almost, what do we have? 30, okay, 36, 31 followers. Only about 1,000 of you have the bell clicked. If you want to get notifications. If you don't want to, don't click it. But man, I've had I've had followers say, I never got the notification. I didn't know you were live. You got to get that bell click too. You want to be a live notification follower. If that's what you want. If you don't, don't. Man, and now I'm going to leave this pawn. Wait, let me say it. You know what though? Do nothing, right? My position's solid. I might just go ahead and weaken my king side. I might weaken my king side, guys. He comes in anyway. Oh, because he's on this square twice, which I didn't see. Well, I guess he gets it now, man. Okay. I'm doing it for activity, guys. These pawns fall is bad. These pawns falling is bad. What about like, nope. What about this? Is he threatening anything? No. Derek Dunbar drops 400 freaking stars. Derek, I told you to type your name so I'll recognize it, but I don't see it. You know Carl on Coffee House Chess? Okay, I see your name. Okay, Derek, when this game's over, you got to be on chess.com though. And you're going to have to accept my challenge. And I'm gonna invest about 30 seconds into it. It's a long time. So just be ready. When my game's over, be ready and be watching your chess.com and be watching for any kind of notification. Adam gives me 10 stars. How you doing? And Jeffrey Bellakawa is here, man. Welcome back. Karma Alston, thanks for the like. Yeah, he's just like, yeah, you know, I'm just gonna start ganging up on your business because I can. I'm just playing it, man. Didn't even look at it. Thanks for the 400, Derek. Appreciate you, man. I got your name copy and pasted, so hopefully we will get it. Derek says, okay, this is new for me, but I'm excited. I gotta leave the stream though, so let me know. Okay, Derek, it's gonna be really tough, Derek, but here's the thing. Once you see my game is over, go into your chess app. If you get a notification, accept it.
Okay, this is new for me, but I am excited. I gotta leave the stream though, so let me know.
So maybe b5 wasn't a good move? There's no way this is a good move, but I think I have to play it. He's gonna push, takes, rook takes because of the pin. I think that will be the move I'll look at this game later and say you didn't know what the hell to do, so you lost the game. Charlie, do you know the distribution of your viewers levels percent of newer to chess? It would be great if those of us 300 800 played each other more often, perhaps through the chess chillers. Yeah, you know what, you're right, it would be cool to okay. Now we got something going. Tim Wheaton says, Charlie, you made it, man. Too early for me. It's 1:15 in the morning. Love you guys. Tim, thanks for saying hello, man. I love when you guys just stop in and say hi. Can't hang out, gotta go to work. Can't hang out, gotta go to bed. But you come and say hi. I freaking love it. Dude, go to sleep, and I will see you about 5 o'clock, right? For the normal stream. Streaming twice today, guys. And I think I'm gonna start doing a lot more of this. Adding a morning stream. Like it. It gets me up, keeps me honest. Guys, if I'm left to my own devices, I will stay up late, maybe drink too much, and then I lose a bunch of time in the morning, like sleeping in and recovering and stuff. Nah. I wanted to stream so bad this morning that I chose not to have a single drink last night. I have to do this as a thank you from God that I have any type of counterplay. I'm just gonna go and be thankful. I'm back, Caleb. Yeah, sorry I missed the afternoon stream. Tim, we'll see you there. Sleep good, man. Derek Klotz says, I'm just here to spread the Rona around. Well, Derek says, I love your name. Oh, he's talking to someone else. Cool. Okay, place queen in. This is protected. I think I'd take queens. Let's see, do we have better? This might be better. Doing it. Oh, you really did get COVID. Derek? Derek, did you get COVID? Oh, man. How you taking it, dude? That's what I always ask, because, you know, it's like for some people, it's really bad, obviously. Some people get a headache and say, I'm tired. And I'm hoping that that's your situation, Derek. Montes Kusinskas. Thank you for the like. Anthony Tony's here. Thank you for the like, man. Kyle Rose is here. Yannick's here. Love you guys, man. And Trevor. Shotsleen. Thank you for the follow, man. Okay. I almost want to do this stupid move. Yeah, so I gotta remember he's in chat. I hope you get through it, Derek. Derek will. Kyle says, my daughter has COVID and you wouldn't even know she's sick. Yeah. Yep. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? A3. Well, Derek, I hope everyone in your household takes it well and is okay. Yulieski Garcia drops 50 stars and says, what microphone do you use and what is the configuration? It sounds very good. Thank you. I think you can type exclam microphone. Let me see. Or is exclam mic? Oh, I did at. Sorry. Don't I have it? Don't I have one of these? Let me see. Because people do ask. No? Huh. I thought... Type chillbot, exclam chillbot, and see if there's a command for microphone. There's links to it and everything. And then I'm also using a Focusrite Scarlett, a little audio interface that I use for recording. This seems a little bit crampy-dampy, but I'm cool. Okay, you gotta type the whole word microphone. Derek Dunbar says, my mom got it and didn't know till she was almost over it. Hope your experience is just as symptom-free. No space, though. There you go. Tim Wheaton nailed it for you, man. Okay, F3, good. Now I bring the king to defend the weakness. That's my beautiful microphone right there. That's the new version, okay? I bought mine a long time ago in a galaxy freaking far, far away. He's gonna fix his pawns. Yeah, so, and thank you for the 50, by the way, Yulieski. Derek says she was in jail. They quarantined her. They did give it to her, though. Oh, man. Yeah, not a good time to go to jail during the pandemic. I hope she's doing better, man. Okay, now I'll be able to get this move in. Maybe rook back. And get this move in. Fix some pawns. Nervous. He's gonna fix my pawns for me, I think. Jensen says, what's the morning stream, bro? I thought I overslept. You did, dude. You missed work today. Yeah, that's probably a really good move because of this freaking square. Do I want to go into passivity because of it? Or do I want to push? I like this move. Bring a rook back. He plays back. Now we will fix the structure. Do we fix the structure? What about back here? Yeah, Christopher Talbot, always a great chill vibe. Thank you, Christopher. Wiggling back. Okay. I guess I have to fix his pawns for him. Otherwise, I lose a pawn. That loses. Maybe not the best move. Boy, the morning stream feels good. The morning stream feels good. Attack and defend. I think I see ideas, though. I gotta move. Dusty, you know what? Thank you for the good vibes. Aaron says, "Hey Charlie, good to see you streaming. You guys in Texas had a rough day yesterday. Been all over the news, really." Yeah, well, I didn't get any damage here other than it shut down my entire freaking stream. Besides that, I just wanted to get back here, guys. I wanted to get back here. So I laid down early, man. I laid down early. Could have had a couple of drinks before bed. Zip. Nothing. Could have stayed up and watched a movie. Told my girl I love her. Okay, now I don't feel as bad. Put him into defensive mode. We all learn a little bit at a time. No, I think black is better here, but there are very, very scary things that I don't want to bring up right now. Right. Now I can chase him here. Do I want to? No, I think we're going to come up first. Improve the position. Dude, look at this beautiful pawn, bro. Look what it does. I have check and push. Is an idea. Will J. Burden, thank you for the like. Mario Goria, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now we are moving forward in our endeavors. I need to find the right moves though, man, because I'm making progress and I think black is better. But you know what sucks? I'll tell you what sucks. Being low on time, and you can have an advantage in an endgame and just make one mistake and like blow your advantage and you're fighting for a draw. That's pretty much most of my endgames. I think this wins. I can analyze it. It doesn't. I heard the noise and I moved. Guys, this is terrible. Oh, I didn't see that move. Yep. I think I'm probably losing now. Guys, I'll look at chat in a minute. Forgive me. Forgive me. That's a good move. No! No, that wasn't the move. Wasn't the move. I think I'm okay. But he's gonna queen too, man. Maybe I could bring my rook over and sack the rook. This might be faster. I'll get the first queen. Yeah, you know, I'll learn this. I don't think I might lose, but especially with this king here, if there's a way I can force this king to this file, I can win the queen. Or at least get this pawn maybe with check. Now he's got some time trouble too. Thank goodness, guys. Forgive me for not looking at the chat right now. I'll look at the whoa, pushes. Do I give him the first queen and just take his rook? I do, because it's freaking material, bro. Queen. Good. Now I'm up a rook. Right? It's a real move. Everything's protected. Let's get to my queen, maybe, or keep centralized. Oh, I'm pushing myself. You don't think so, Nico? Is it a draw? Just have to be sure there's no check winning my rook when I interpose my queen and start hiding. He might get this with. He might get this pawn. I don't want to give him either. I don't want to give him this with check. And then my queen and my rook hopefully can destroy. I understand what I did there. Still want to give him this pawn with check. Guys, I think I might offer him a draw. Gonna put my queen in the way. I might get tucked in the corner, guys. We'll see. Maybe I run it down to the rook. Where'd you rather have your king when everything gets traded? Oh, am I getting disconnected? Okay, this picks up the game from where we were when I got disconnected and I ran to my phone. Like I said, I had about 20 seconds left. No big deal, it's 10-second increment. My opponent plays this check here and lets my king run into the corner. Now he has no more checks, except for a check that allows me to play the queen trade. All right? He plays this way, maybe to end up with this king here. After the queen trade, it's the same thing, I guess, but one thing I did do that I think was smart. I bring the rook up check, right? King back. Now, after the trade, his king is cut off. Takes. I'm up a rook. Take. I play rook here. His king has to go all the way around the horn to get to the pawn, and by that time he drops this. So, I mean, there's no big pride in this. Carl's a good player, man. Look at this. Victor's challenging me right now, man. Victor, we'll play later, okay? So, yeah, I came in, he resigned. So that's how the game ended. Sorry, I got DC'd at the end of that game at the high tension moment, man. But that's it. I'll see you guys later this afternoon on Facebook Gaming about 4:30. I stream Facebook Gaming 4:30, 5 o'clock every day. And I'm starting to do a morning stream too. Check it out, Charly Sardo Gaming. And you can like and subscribe here for more stuff like this, more chess content. Thank you.